Yo, welcome everyone. Bitcoin is preparing for the next big move, but we are now getting also a new major buy signal. Let me show you. First, you're going to see that for the past couple of days, Bitcoin is really not moving anywhere. We are stuck at approximately 109.5 thousand US dollars, just slightly above our major weekly high-term time frame area of support. And on the 30-minute time frame, right now we can actually identify some kind of a horizontal range. We are going to be connecting our recent lows, extending this one towards the upside, and it really does look like for the past couple of days, all we are getting right here, rotation towards the bottom of the range, back towards the upside, some kind of a rejection right here, and yes, we are still as of right now in a horizontal range. Of course, a breakout towards the upside or towards the downside is right now really imminent. And let me right now share with you exactly what, in my opinion, is going to be an ideal scenario, and also where we can actually look to fire another long or a buy position. Yes, for sure, I am as of right now still holding some very nice long trades on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, on XRP, and also on many different other altcoins. Yes, also, I have paid myself significantly with this specific short position, but if in the next couple of hours we are going to get another push down, hitting our next very important price target, for sure, I am going to be adding even more to my long position on Bitcoin and also probably on many different altcoins. So why as of right now, ideally, I would really like to see Bitcoin getting a breakout towards the upside. Pay attention right now to the Adler stochastic CG oscillator on the daily time frame. Remember already a couple of days ago, we were saying that this specific indicator is being in the oversold area. And of course, being in the oversold is usually going to be a bullish Bitcoin indication. But right now, not only that we are oversold, we are staying at this specific area for a very long time. Now, I am going to zoom out a little bit because I would really like to share with you the last time Bitcoin was so long in the oversold area. For example, right here, in February 2024, the Adler stochastic CG oscillator was definitely in the oversold for a very long time, and after that, we exploded towards another all-time high. Also, for example, right here, we were oversold for a very long time, we got a slight push down, but nevertheless, followed with a significant pump back towards the upside. So if you look like that right now, we are being in the oversold area on the daily time frame on the Adler stochastic CG oscillator for a very long time. And technically speaking, this right here is definitely going to be a very nice bullish Bitcoin indication. That is right now why also I want to share with you the exact price targets I'm going to be paying attention to if Bitcoin is going to be able to continue its way even higher. What we are right now going to do, remember, overall speaking, Bitcoin is as of right now still moving in a significant rising wedge pattern. And that is why if we do talk about our bullish Elliott wave count, what we can right now say, we got our second Elliott wave right here, and we can right now already pay attention towards the third Elliott wave. So what is right now going to be the exact price target you should be aware of if right now the bottom on Bitcoin is in approximately at this specific area, and of course we right now continue higher. Let's go with our Fibonacci extensions, where we are going to be measuring the entire push up, putting the third pivot exactly at the low end. The only Fibonacci retracement level you should be aware of is going to be 1.618 Fibonacci extension price target coming in at 126,000 US dollar area. That is why I am telling to you, I do remain in all of my long trades right here, but of course also I have paid myself significantly with this specific short position, and I do have approximately 20% of this specific short position right now still open, just in case we are going to continue lower. That is right now why I would really appreciate for you to smash up the like button, because 1000 likes are really possible, and also thank you for subscribing to the channel. Let me right now also share with you why at the area we are as of right now is really not a good idea where we are looking for a short position. Pay attention right now to the crypto fear and greed index. Majority of people, yes, as of right now, are being in the neutral zone, approximately at the 50 level, but nevertheless, only a couple of days ago, for sure, we were in the fear area. So people where we are as right now, simply because we are seeing a push down. Not only they are getting fearful, but also they are getting liquidated all over the place. And additionally, where we are as of right now, a lot of them are entering brand new short or sell positions. How do I know that? Pay attention right now to the CVD indicator in a combination with the open interest indicator. The yellow line, the CVD indicator, is measuring if brand new buying or selling pressure is coming in the market. Clearly, as of right now, we are forming for a very long time brand new lower lows right here. The open interest is measuring if brand new money is coming or leaving the market. So as of right now, clearly it is getting a push towards the upside. So it simply means people at the area where we are as of right now are entering brand new short or sell positions. But now think logically. If they are entering brand new short positions, if selling pressure is actually coming in the market, of course, it would make sense for Bitcoin to get another push down. But right now, we are still forming brand new higher lows right here. So the selling pressure that is right now coming in the market right here is getting absorbed, which means bullish divergence on the CVD indicator, bullish Bitcoin indication. I'm not saying we cannot get another very slight push down right here, but definitely I would not be looking to fire another short position right here, as the majority of the people are right now doing. As I said before, I am only interested firing brand new long trades right here, and additionally, I have taken a lot of profits on my short position from approximately 117.5 thousand US dollar area. Now, additionally, pay attention to the Bitcoin liquidation heat map on the 1 week time frame, where we do have as right now the most amount of liquidations, exactly below the recent lows at approximately 108.1 thousand US dollar area. Almost 200 million of long positions are going to get liquidated. And right now, if we combine our major liquidations class right here also with our major weekly high term time frame area of support, what you're going to see, if Bitcoin right now does get another push down, we are definitely then going to hit our weekly high term time frame level right here. Many people in this area are unfortunately going to get completely wrecked and completely liquidated. And also remember, if we are right now trading in some kind of a horizontal range, deviations are definitely something completely normal. So what exactly you should be paying attention to if Bitcoin right now does get another push down? For sure, if we are going to go lower, maybe even hit the weekly, make sure you're paying attention to the candle close once we are going to be back above in our horizontal range right here. Because if we are going to be able to get a bounce at this specific area, yes, for sure, we can be looking to fire another long position of Bitcoin with a very clear invalidation level exactly at our recent low. We are going to grab the liquidity, we are going to hit a major level. Simply we know deviations are something completely normal. Many people are going to get completely wrecked, and of course at the areas of support, the only trade I would be interested entering right here is definitely going to be another long or buying position, not only Bitcoin but of course also on the entire crypto market right here. That is right now why, if you want to trade with us, take an advantage of the free 8,000 US dollar bonus without KYC and without VPN with the second link down below right here, because Bitunics exchange is right now only for the next couple of days giving to you 10 USDT completely for free only after you register. Then make sure you deposit, because you're also going to get a 20% deposit bonus using the second link down below after you register and after initial deposit. Right now also, let's talk about our Bitcoin monthly returns, because yes, as right now, we are still in September. However, the monthly candle is literally going to be closed in the next couple of days. So once we right now pay attention to the monthly time frame, you're going to see, yes, we are going to see the monthly close in the next 2 days and 14 hours. And the monthly open was exactly at 108.2 thousand US dollar area. Now remember, this specific level, the monthly candle open, it is literally exactly at our weekly high term time frame area of support, as you can see right here. So it really does look like even if Bitcoin right now does get another push towards upside, yes, in the next couple of days, for sure, September could potentially be just slightly bearish, just slightly in a negative. But remember, people were telling to you September is going to be bearish exactly at the low that was formed only a couple of days ago, pretty much at the start of September. But of course, once again, remember, even if Bitcoin right now does go lower, maybe even if September is going to be slightly bearish, I am still looking for brand new long or buy positions because we are going to hit a major area of support. Now, of course, exponential moving averages, the downtrend right now, Bitcoin is still here on the 4-hourly, on the 2-hourly, on the 1-hourly time frame. The 50 EMA is clearly below 200 exponential moving average on all major time frames. So this right here is right now telling to us we are for sure moving in a significant downtrend. But the reality is, because we are going to hit such a nice support area right here, and also if you look like that, remember what is usually happening for the month of October. Usually the month of October is not October, but actually October. So yes, it looks like we should be expecting a green month literally in the next couple of days. So again, that is why we are not going to be flipping randomly bearish exactly at the areas of support where we can actually look to fire a long position, of course, with calculated risk, with proper risk management. I am not saying to you we cannot see a major dump. All I'm right now looking at right here on Bitcoin are going to be bullish indications. I'm looking at the data as objectively as possible, and of course, forming a plan based on this specific data. Of course, if we are right now going to go lower, for sure, I am going to get stopped out on all of my long trades right here. However, as I said before, I am still going to remain in my short position of Bitcoin from much, much higher. So let's see right now what is going to happen. But again, most importantly, usually we are looking to buy on a discount and sell once we are pushing towards the upside. And as of right now, clearly, we are seeing a push down. Bullish divergence is right now being formed. If we are going to see a liquidity grab right here, this, in my opinion, would really be a cherry on top, where of course we can be looking to enter another long or a buy position on a successful liquidity grab or a swing failure pattern. That is right now why, if you want to trade with us, take an advantage of the free bonus using the stack link down below, because only after you register you're going to get 10 USDT, but then also deposit because you're going to get a 20% deposit bonus. But also right now, thank you for smashing up the like button.